Hey, my tiny readers, how are you all doing today? Come, it's time to read our eighth story, which is about a rainy day. Here are the new words. Come, have a look on them. Sky, SKY, sky. Starts. Rain. Mia. Looks. Window. Out. She, we use she for a girl. Very good. Sees, we have already read that word. Sees. Wet. Road. Stays. Ay together sounds a, sir. So it becomes stays. Home. Reads. Book. Very good. Come, let's read the story together. A rainy day. The sky is grey. The sky is grey. It starts to rain. It starts to rain. Mia looks out the window. Mia looks out the window. She sees the wet road. She sees the wet road. She stays at home. She stays at home. She reads a book. She reads a book. Beautiful. Come, let's read it again. The sky is grey. It starts to rain. Mia looks out the window. She sees the wet road. She stays at home. She reads a book. Amazing, tiny readers. You're doing a wonderful job. I hope all these stories are helping improving your reading skills. Mom, you know what to do. Make your child read the stories again and again, and this will help in improving their reading skills. I'll be coming up with the next story very soon. Up till then, keep reading the stories. Happy reading, everyone.